Hi, I'm Bruce Rohsler, and I'd like to welcome you to Rohsler's Allendale Nursery. We're a family-owned nursery. At the present time, we're in our 5th generation of plantsmen. A number of family members still work here at the nursery in the growing division, in the landscape division, and in the retail nursery division. Feel free to come in. Again, we'll be more than happy to serve you and help you be successful in the garden. Whether you're an avid gardener or a first-time novice, we'll be glad to take the time that it takes to make you successful. At Rohsler's, we have a long history of growing plants right on site here in Allendale, New Jersey. We actually started in Garfield, New Jersey, where my great-grandfather and grandfather, an Austrian immigrant, had come to this country and started as a nurseryman growing plants and grafting plants. We've now evolved into an annual and perennial grower with some woody plants. It actually encompasses quite a large portion of our property where we have greenhouses and outdoor growing fields. We specialize in native plants, pollinator plants, hard to find and unusual perennials and plants. And again, when a customer comes into our garden center, we'll answer their questions on pollinator plants, native plants, deer-resistant plants, plants that can take wet sites, dry sites, all the way on down to water gardening plants as well, and bog plants and pond plants. So please visit us. We'll be more than happy to spend time and help you be successful in the garden. We have a full landscape division, and we offer many different things. We have hardscape construction, walks, walls, patios, full planting of perennials, trees, shrubs, site work, grading, and we also offer landscape lighting. Cast lighting happens to be our choice in lighting, and we welcome you to come and visit our display garden on site where you can actually see the cast lighting on display. We're a long line of passionate plant lovers. It makes our job a lot more enjoyable and easy to come to work every morning. And we welcome all our customers in open arms and try to share our enthusiasm and knowledge of plants with them.